Hi, Paul Preston here with a little advice on how to speak English a little more fluently. Well, I know one of the most difficult things about speaking is speaking. What does that mean? It means basically you are too shy to say what you want to say. You don't trust your ability. You don't trust your skill. So, what do? Well, most of the time, you probably try to figure out exactly what you want to say before you say it. You make the whole sentence, create it in your head, and then speak the sentence. But what happens? The conversation is gone. People have moved on to another topic. And whatever you wanted to say, well, it's lost. So, what do? How can you solve this problem? Well, I have a simple answer, but it's not easy. The simple answer is just make noise. Just make noise. If you make a noise, people are going to look at you. If you say, any noise. Hey, excuse me, whatever noise. People are going to look at you. And they're going to wait for you to say something. Well, maybe you don't know what you're going to say. Maybe you just had a feeling that you had better say something. But now the pressure is on because everyone's looking at you and you've got to speak. This is great practice. It's a little scary, but when everyone is looking at you, expecting you to speak, you're gonna start speaking. But you know what? You might feel like they will quickly lose interest. They might. If you don't say anything right away, they might just move on. But if you start speaking, just start. Just start saying something. Maybe it's not perfect. Maybe it doesn't make sense. But do you know? The people are going to try to figure out what you're trying to say. They want to know. They want to know what you have to say. So if they can figure it out, they will try. Well, you can look at their heads. It's easy to see. When you said something that doesn't make sense, everyone will give you the kind of look. Well, try again. Try again. Get in there, say it again. You'll figure it out. But if you don't say anything, if you don't make that noise right at the beginning, then that conversation is going to just keep moving. Your idea? Gone. Your opinion? Lost. You can't get it back. You didn't say it. You didn't say your idea. So, your idea is not there. So next time you're in a meeting or maybe talking with friends and you're speaking in your second language, maybe English or whatever, and you have an idea, make noise. Say your idea. It's really important. So, great way to practice fluency. Just say it. Make some noise, get in there, say it, and worry about correctness later. That's my fluency tip for today. I'm Paul Preston. Thank you very much for joining.